Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to post a job on Brighter Monday and add an assessment to it so that candidates have to take the test while applying to the job. You can then use the candidate scores in the test to easily filter through the tons of applications, making your recruitment process faster and allowing you make better and objective decisions on who is a right fit. To start, you need to log in to your Brighter Monday employer account and must have purchased an assessment credit and a job listing credit. To post a job, click on Post a Job at the top menu. Fill the job posting form with accurate information. To add an assessment to the job, select Add Assessment here, then click on Next. This will then bring you to the Assessments Catalog page. On this page, you will need to select the appropriate job function. Then select the desired assessment within that job function, and then choose the experience level. We have tooltips to give you insight as to what each test contains. If satisfied, select the assessment. Then select the experience level. Once you've done this, click on Post. Your job will then go live on the website after a brief approval process. Now, let's see what the experience is like for a job seeker. You will notice that a job with an assessment has an assessment tag on it. We inform job seekers when a job has an assessment. They can click to learn more about why the job has an assessment. After filling the application form, job seekers can then proceed to take the assessment. The job seeker is then redirected to the assessment window. These tests are mobile friendly also, so job seekers can take them on both laptops and mobile phones. We show the job seeker a set of instructions for the test, and they can click to begin when ready. Once the job seeker completes the assessment, their application is complete. Now, let's see how to manage applications with an assessment. While logged in to your employer account, you can see the list of jobs you have posted and view the applications by clicking on Jobs at the top menu. For jobs with an assessment, you will see an assessment tag on them. Click on the job title to go to the application section of the job. The first thing you will see is the application section is an overview of all the candidates that have applied. We show you the total applications per day, applications split into their various statuses, and the breakdown of candidates by their assessment scores. We have 4 score categories. Beginner, these are those who score between 0 to 25%. Intermediate, these are those who score between 26 to 50%. Proficient, are those who score between 51 to 75%, and experts are those who score between 76 to 100%. Applicants you are yet to see can be seen in the Candidate subsection. Once you view a particular candidate, they move to Viewed. You can change candidate statuses to In Review, Shortlisted, Hired, or Not Suitable as you deem fit. Now, let's check out the applicants for this job. Here, you can see the list of all the applicants you are yet to check out. These will typically be so many, so it helps to use the filters to narrow down first. If you added an assessment to the job ad, you can use the score categories to filter. You can filter to see only those that are either beginner, intermediate, proficient, or expert. Also, you can sort within the filtered list so that you can see those with the highest scores within that category at the top. Simply click on the Sort By icon, then click Assessment Score. To view a candidate's assessment report, click on Assessment on the candidate. While viewing a candidate's assessment report, you can see the score and the time it took for the candidate to complete the assessment. You can also see how the candidate performed in the different sections of the test. You also get to see how the candidates fared with easy, medium, and hard questions. We also have an anti-cheating mechanism that detects when candidates navigate from the assessment window to browse for answers. This is reflected as window violations. You can see this at the bottom of the report. You can perform various actions on selected candidates by highlighting them via the check boxes, and then click the Actions link at the top and select your preferred action. If you want to know more about the Brighter Monday assessment product, please call us on +255 677 043 467 or send an email to info@brightermonday.co.tz.